Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we'll be making onion salad. First, you're going to take 2 peeled onions and you're going to slice them into thick slices like this. Then you're going to separate the slices into rings. And then once you're done with that, you're going to place it all in a big bowl. Now you're going to finely chop 2 green chilies and then transfer them to a big bowl. To the bowl, you're going to add 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chaat masala or spices of your choice, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now you're going to finely chop some coriander. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves to the bowl and mix well. You want to make sure everything is coated evenly. Serve as you wish and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. We'll see you next time.